A subscriber inside our free Discord community recently told me to test his best indicator, and honestly, after putting it on the chart, I understood why. Because in some way, it keeps catching local tops and bottoms with scary accuracy, and at first glance, it almost feels like the indicator already knows where reversals are going to happen before the market even moves. But of course, we have seen this before. A lot of indicators look amazing visually and then completely fall apart once you actually test them properly. And that's exactly what we are going to do today. We are going to test this free TradingView indicator across different assets and time frames with all available historical data to find out if this thing can actually become a profitable trading strategy. I'm ATP and let's get started. So this is the indicator right here. It's called %R Trend Exhaustion and it's based on the Williams %R indicator. The main idea is actually quite interesting. It combines a faster and a slower %R calculation in order to detect moments where a trend may be finished and potentially ready to reverse. Whenever both momentum conditions align in overbought or oversold areas, the indicator highlights an area of interest, and once momentum starts breaking in the opposite direction, it prints a signal arrow on the chart. And honestly, visually it looks really impressive. We can clearly see these highlighted zones forming near local tops and bottoms, followed by strong reversals shortly after. So I completely understand why this indicator gets attention. But as always on this channel, we don't care about how good something looks visually. We care about whether it actually works in real market conditions. Now, before testing anything, we first need to define how we are going to trade these signals. For entries, we'll keep things simple. Long trades on bullish reversal signals and short trades on bearish reversal signals. For stop loss, we'll use the most recent swing low or swing high, and for take profits, we are going to use a hybrid system. We'll close 50% of the position at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio to secure partial profits, then move the stop loss to break even and let the remaining 50% continue running using an ATR trailing stop loss. The reason I like this approach is because reversal systems sometimes catch very large moves, and trailing the remaining position allows us to capture those bigger trends. Now, testing all of this manually will take forever, and this is exactly where the ATP Signal Engine comes in. Right here on the chart, I have both the %R trend indicator and the ATP Signal Engine loaded together. And the really powerful part is this: I don't need access to the source code, I don't need to manually build a strategy, and it doesn't matter if the indicator is free or premium. As long as the indicator is on the chart, I can test it. So inside the ATP Signal Engine inputs, I simply scroll down to the custom indicator signal section. Since this indicator already gives us bullish and bearish signals directly on the chart, all I need to do is select Event as the signal type, then assign the bullish reversal signal for longs and the bearish reversal signal for shorts. And instantly all the trades appear automatically on the chart, including entries, stop losses and take profits. Then down here inside the Strategy Tester tab, we get real historical performance data like win rate, drawdown, net profit and number of trades, without writing a single line of code. And the craziest part is this: if I change the indicator settings, the entire strategy updates automatically. If I switch from Bitcoin to gold, the backtest recalculates instantly. If I change the time frame, same thing. Everything updates in seconds. Something that normally would take hours or even days, done instantly. So instead of wasting time rewriting strategies over and over again, I can focus on research and optimization. Now, at this stage, the strategy is working, but like we always do on this channel, we want to improve it, because raw indicator signals alone are usually not enough. So, to help filter weaker trades and align ourselves with the broader market trend, we are going to add a 200 EMA. Inside the ATP Signal Engine, I simply enable the baseline section, select the 200 EMA and use it as a confirmation filter. So now, long trades are only allowed above the 200 EMA and short trades are only allowed below it. And immediately you can see that many trades disappear from the chart. But that's actually a good thing, because removing bad trades is often more important than finding more trades. And now it's finally time for the real test. I exported all trades directly from the strategy tester and analyzed the results across 5 assets and 4 timeframes with all available historical data. And honestly, the results were extremely interesting. Starting with a 5-minute time frame, the strategy actually performed badly overall. The equity curve was unstable, drawdown was high, and despite some good trades, the system simply didn't have enough consistency. On the 1-hour chart, results improved slightly, but overall, the strategy still wasn't remarkably strong. But everything changed once it reached the 30-minute chart. The strategy became dramatically more stable, profitability increased, the equity curve became much smoother, and overall performance improved significantly across multiple assets. And honestly, this was the biggest surprise of the entire test, because this is exactly why proper testing matters so much. Sometimes an indicator doesn't fail because it's bad. Sometimes it is simply being used in the wrong time frame. And finally, on the daily chart, the strategy delivered average performance overall. Lower trade frequency, slower movement, and more stable behavior than the lower time frames, but nothing compared to the 30-minute results. So the final conclusion is, this indicator is not some magical holy grail, but it is also not useless at all. In certain conditions, especially on the 30-minute chart, it actually showed real potential. And because of that, we are now going to place this indicator inside our official ATP indicators ranking, which you can consult completely free on our website at algotradepro.com. This way, over time, we can compare all tested indicators side by side and identify which ones actually perform the best based on real historical data. And this is exactly why I built the ATP Signal Engine, because without proper testing, most trading decisions are just guessing. And now, instead of needing coding skills or manually testing strategies for hours, you can test anything directly from the chart itself, including paid indicators and indicators without source code access. Even if you are using the free version of TradingView, this still works, because you only need 2 things on the chart: the signal engine and the indicator you want to test. So if you want to learn more about it and also use it yourself, all links are below. And if you have any indicator you'd like to see tested on a future video, let me know in the comments. I'm ATP, stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.